So basically, this program is suitable for payroll staff or executive. Let's say you would like to handle staff salary calculations, especially involve some certain law update and EPF, SOXO, EIS, and PCB. So this course will suit you for you to get more understanding about how is it the actual payroll calculation, especially you have to calculate number of staff, this particular salary. So this course will benefit to you.
If due to poor payroll administrations, there will be poor employer reputations, inability to motivate employees, difficulty in hiring, retaining talents, and of course, waste of time, energy, and resources again and again because due to this poor management of payroll, right? Can we accumulate and pay on monthly basis instead of weekly?
So now we look at multiple payroll cycle. So this different group employee pay different time of the month. For example, sales personnel pay commission sooner than salary of other employee. Okay, now we look at module 3, how to calculate your salary. Okay, now we show you look at the calculation on OT. Assuming Bond is employee, his monthly salary is 2K. He's a full-time employee. He worked 3 hours OT on Monday. So now we get the salary 2,000 divided by 26. Then we get OR. Now we proceed to module 4, statutory contribution. So this statutory contribution, we may touch more on EPF, SOXO, EIS, and HRD. And of course, what is subject to EPF contribution? You can see, those subject to EPF contribution cover like salary, commission, bonuses, allowance, leave engagement. That means this leave engagement is what?